everyone. Today's our topic nuclear family versus joint family. So my opinion is this: nuclear families are best because you can see that in nuclear families there are very less members, but in joint family there are lots of members. That's why you have to spend lots of money on them. But in nuclear family we have our savings. We know that where what is our rent, how can we handle the house. In nuclear family there is only a husband and a wife and their children. But in joint family you have to care about your whole family, acceptable your like uncle, your aunt, everyone. You have to care about it. When you don't do this, so they are becoming fight with each other. In joint family you can see that the main problem is fighting. They're all time fighting in very small things. There is no benefit to live together if you don't feel comfortable or relaxable with each other. So as per my view, nuclear family is best.
I think joint family is better than nuclear family because in joint family you will never feel loneliness and one to two person is always available for your care and you will understand the value of family in joint family. But in nuclear family you live with your parents or brother, so it is not a
As per my view, nuclear family is better than joint family. As per it said that we don't need lots of money. When you will buy gold, jewelry, and also you will not think lots of. But in joint family, you will have to think lots so many times. What parents think about you, what's your relatives think about you, what's your uncle aunt think about you, and sometimes what kind of things happen. Sometime your aunt doesn't cook food and they say to her and her daughter-in-law, you have to cook food, and they will all time fight in small things. They never think about parents.
As per my view, joint family is better than the nuclear family because you can see that in joint family there are a lot of persons who will help you in your bad conditions, in your bad circumstances. And you can see that in joint family the tradition, the religiousness is available, and a lot of calmness is available, which makes the joint family better than the nuclear family.
According to me, nuclear family is good for us because if you see that in joint family, if you live in joint family, so if you bring a toy and etc. to your brother's children, so your wife will also think that they are doing.
She would have the jealous of.
Yeah, she think that he is doing more than for them. He is not understanding our condition and etc. And if you see that nowadays, you have to you have to do more things and also hard work for the joint family because you have to feed full of the family members and there's too much family member. Everyone is living there.
As per my view, joint family is good because in joint family we live together and we can enjoy too much and we can live very happy and they can stress free and they have lots of they have not economic problem.
They would not have the.
They would not have financially problem and they
Okay, good. Yeah.
So I think everyone's opinion is correct, but you think practically. In nuclear family, you can save your lots of things like your food, your money, your personality, and you can see that what is the benefit of fighting. In joint family, that sometimes the girls are not that kind of capable to understand their like problems of their house. Is a joint family because suppose that the girl's age is very small, so she can't understand the problem of their mother and father, their future mother and father. So what is the benefit to live in joint family?
But you can also see that in joint family, if your parents are committing any mistakes, so your grandparents can rectify that mistake. And it makes more beneficial in joint family. In joint family, if your
When you
father,
are getting the problem, then each and everybody will support you in joint family.
yeah,
But
and
in
your
nuclear family, you will have to face lots of problem. In your bad time, I think nobody will come to you.
but you can also see that in joint family, if everyone is earning the money, so they will know any they will know any financial problems.
Yeah. Good. Okay, good.